An elephant has thick legs so it cannot run fast, whereas the horse has slender legs, it can run fast. The legs of frogs are such that it cannot walk, but it can leap. Underline the word leap. Leap means jump. Insects are very small animals. Most insects have 6 legs. Some insects have wings. They can fly. Body features of animals. Most animals have 4 legs. Some have hooves, paws, or claws. Animals like cow, buffalo, and rhino have horns. They use them to protect themselves. Birds and insects have wings to fly. Birds have beaks too. Most animals have a tail. Animals like the cow use it to drive away flies. Monkeys use their tail to swing from one branch of a tree to another. Kangaroos, grasshoppers, and rabbits are hopping animals. Please underline the word hopping. Means jumping. Hopping animals. Kangaroos use their tail to jump long distances. A squirrel uses its tail to climb trees. Fishes use their tail and fins to swim. What do animals eat? Animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Let us understand it from a flow chart. Animals: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers. Eat only plants. Example: cows, goats, rabbits, etc. Carnivorous: eat only flesh. Eat both plants and flesh. Example: humans, crows, bears, etc. Scavengers: eat the flesh of dead animals. Example: hyenas, vultures, etc. How do animals eat? Different animals eat different kinds of foods. The part of an animal's mouth is suited to the kind of food it eats. Please turn the page, friends. Animals eat in many different ways. This is because they eat different kinds of food. Cats eat meat. They have pointed teeth to tear the meat. Cows have sharp front teeth to bite off leaves. They have flat back teeth to chew the grass. Parrots have hooked beaks so that they can bite into fruit. They have no teeth. Ducks have long beaks so that they can get worms out of the mud. Snakes have teeth but don't chew their food. They swallow animals whole. Lizards and frogs have long sticky tongues so that they can catch flies and mosquitoes. Let's do exercise. Take the correct option. Number 1. This animal is very big in size. Yes, very big animal in size, elephant. Number 2, it uses its long tail to jump long distances. Yes. Number B, kangaroos. Kangaroos uses their tail to jump long distances. Number 3, animals that eat both plants and flesh are called omnivorous. Fill in the blanks. Sheep and yaks give us wool. Number 2, honeybees give us honey. Dash is made from animal dung. Yes, manure is made from animal dung. Most birds move by legs. Fish move in water with the help of their fins. Very short answer type questions. Number 1, name any 2 big animals. Student, please guess 2 animals, very big animals. Yes, number 1 is elephant, number 2 is rhino. Number 2, name the home we make for the, yes, we make home for dog, it is called kennel. Horse's home is called stable. Cow's home is called shed. Hen's home is called coop. Short answers and long answers you have to learn as we have already given you. Yes. Thank you students. Bye bye.